Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. For you, there will be a test, objective test, up to electric potentials. Okay. Today and tomorrow, mostly we can complete all the problems, model problems. Today, I'm going to teach all the model problems according to topic. Means I will teach topic and I will teach problems on this. So if I teach like that, then you will get clarity, because in this lesson, problems are not that much easy. Most of the things will be integrated. Like we have to integrate x square to x square. What is the integration? X, what is the integration? So many things, and even differentiation problems will be like that. Not directly like one of the value 10 and e value 10, v value something 5. Find out distance, like that. They won't ask. So once today we have to see the all the types of problems. See, once in this lesson, especially what we have discussed till now, we have discussed about electric potential difference. First, I said electric potential difference because I told you in physics there is no perfect definition for electric potential. Electric potential also there is no perfect definition. Here we will assume potential at infinity equal to 0. Because of that, we will get a formula for electric potential. Otherwise, we don't get formula. See, potential difference formula VA minus the VB equal to work done by the external agent to bring a test charge from B to A. It is a potential difference formula. Potential difference between the 2 points is equal to work done by the external agent to bring a charge from B to A. Means if there are 2 points A and B, one of the charge Q0 is here. Now assume that 2 charges are same charges, so there is a repulsion force between that. Already we know test charge is a positive charge. So when this charge will repel this charge, but you have to bring this charge from B to A. Once if you bring from B to A, what is the potential difference? Means final minus initial, VA minus VB. So when you are bringing from here to here, it should be with the external force. So due to external force, you have to bring that. That is the work done by the external agent to bring a charge from B to A. So which charge? Test charge. This is what the potential difference formula. Potential, there is no perfect definition. We will do one of the point is at infinity. So now what we have to do? Again same. Potential potential difference VA minus V infinity is equal to work done by the external agent to bring a charge from infinity to A. So here we know, we will assume that potential at infinity equal to 0. Then only we will get a potential formula work done by the external agent to bring a charge from infinity to A. That is called potential. Understand clearly. Here we assume that potential at infinity is 0. Then only we got the potential definition. Otherwise, there is no potential definition. By seeing the formulas, easily you can say the definition. Work done on the charge, work done by the external agent to bring the charge from B to A, then that is called potential difference. Work done on the charge, work done by the external agent to bring a charge from infinity to a point is called potential. Then what is this external work done? See, on this charge, if it is a charge, due to this, on this charge, force will act. Which force? That is QE. Means electrostatic force will act. We have to bring this charge opposite to this. So we have to apply opposite direction one more force, that is minus QE. F is equal to minus Q. Means this force is equal in magnitude, opposite in nature. Then what will happen means this charge we can move very slowly without changing any kinetic energy. Slowly we have to bring this charge, very slowly. So work done by the formula, if you know, work done by the external agent formula, integration F dot dr, F external This force also external force. Which force is this? We know, minus EQ and dr. Minus send outside, minus and q you have to send outside. Formula will become E dr. It is the work done for the external agent. Formula. Remember, formulas are very important. And now see how I will change this formula to do the problems. Problems are little bit, it will give confusion. So I am going to teach that formula, problems. Let's see. So whatever we discuss in this session, electric field, electric potential difference, electric potential due to point charge. Due to point charge means V is equal to KQ by R square, or sorry, KQ by R. This is the potential due to point charge. And the potential due to charged sphere, we learned inside how much will be there, outside will be there. Inside also potential will be there, outside also potential will be there. That we calculated already. But electric field in the sphere will be 0. But here it will be there. Now, potential due to electric dipole. On the axis we calculated, on the equator we calculated. On the equator we will get 0, but on the axis it will be there. At anywhere on the point. This is also we learned. Now, potential difference in the uniform electric field, this is the formula, very important formula in the uniform electric field. In the non-uniform electric field, if it is a very non-uniform, we can't bring a charge from 1 to 2 immediately. We can't bring 1 to 2 very immediately. It is non-uniform. So slowly we have to move. Small displacement, plus small displacement, plus small displacement. All displacements, if you add, then point, if it is R1, it is R2, it will move from R1 to R2. That is what we will do integration from R1 to R2. If you do integration of this, we can get R1 to R2. So R1 to R2, very important it is. And this I written in this form. Once if I apply integration, this V will become V, capital V, like big V. And integration when you are doing electric field is constant. If it is a change also, we can mention. And dr also, dr will become R. This dr is the position vector. We will do, when we are doing problems, you will get correct idea what we have to do with that problem formula. Okay, this is what we learned in this lesson. I have to teach you once more electrostatic potential energy. I will teach you. Once if we complete the problem, the final thing I will give you that electrostatic potential energy. Okay, na? Today, can we start problems now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is what we have learned in this lesson, especially. Equipotential surface, very important, and its properties. On this also problems are there. On this, so many problems are there. So, each and every formula, there is a problem. Now we are going to start the problems. See one. I will teach you all the model problems. After whatever charts and PDF that I don't teach. If you get any doubt in that problem only I will teach. Remaining everything you have to do. See the first problem. So now problems on work done by the external agent. So on work, we are going to solve problems on work. See once the first problem. What is the formula for work external? Work external equal to minus F dot dr. This is what the formula. This formula, see how I am going to change. F place, this F is external force. External force means opposite direction we are applying that force. In which direction electrostatic force is acting, exactly to opposite direction we are using this. So that is QE and dr. Again, send this Q outside, charge is constant, E bar dot dr bar. Remember, this dr bar is the position vector. Position vector means suppose dr bar, we know how to write. This is telling that particle can be x direction, particle can be y direction, particle can be z direction. So that time this dr I will write dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. D place dr place I can write this. And this E electric field can be x direction, y direction and z direction. So I will write Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap. I can write like this. Now substitute these two formulas in that. What you are getting? Let's see. Just I am arranging formula. If I arrange formula, then we can do the problems. Otherwise, you will get confusion. How can we write this, sir? How can we write this? So it is a position vector. It is telling for 3-dimensional. So x can be, y can be, z can be there. And electric field also can be there along x direction, can be there along y direction, can be there along z direction. Substitute these things. If you substitute minus q integration, E means Ex I cap, Ey j cap, Ez k cap dot dx I cap, dy j cap, dz k cap minus q integration. We know I dot I equal to 1, I dot j 0, I dot k 0. So we have to multiple Ex dx. So Ex dx over I dot I equal to 1, leave, plus integration j dot j only will be there. J dot j equal to 1. Remaining terms will become 0. So we have to calculate Ey, E suffix Ey, dy plus integration again Ez dz k dot k equal to 1. Since I dot I equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1, k dot k equal to 1. Remaining terms like I dot j equal to 0, j dot k equal to 0, k dot I equal to 0. Because angle will come 90, cos 90 equal to 0. So dot product. This is what? Work external. I changed this formula in this manner because problems they will ask, they will give E and they will give something X. See the first problem. Okay, note this. Did you understand how I changed this? Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now see the first problem. Find work done by the external agent. Work done by the external agent in slowly shifting a charge Q equal to 1 microcoulomb in the electric field that electric field they given E equal to 10 I cap. E bar equal to 10 I cap Newton per coulomb we can say. or volt per meter. We can write Newton per coulomb or volt per meter. We can write from the point we can write or volt per meter also from the point P 1, 2 to Q 3, 4. Solution. See once. Find work done by the external agent. So work done by the external agent. We derived formula. Now we know formula also. See, when they have given I cap, that means electric field is there along only x direction. There is no electric field along y direction. So before we have derived one formula, we know that what we know, work done by the external agent equal to minus q integration Ex dx plus integration Ey dy plus integration Ez dz. We know it is 0 because electric field is not there along any other direction. I cap they have given means it is along x direction only, it is there. If electric field is not there, what is the use? Everything will become 0. Here also it is 0. So we know formula now, q integration Ex dx. Ex and dx. Okay. What is this 1? It is nothing but x1. It is nothing but y1. It is nothing but x2. It is nothing but y2. See, remember, when they have given 1, 1, 1 like that, one is belongs to x, second one belongs to y, third one belongs to z. If they have given one more point 0, 0, 0 something, then if take is 1, 1, 1 and x2 and y2 and z2. Like that you have to take. So first one belongs to x, second one belongs to y. If they have given one more, third one belongs to z. That's what you have to remember. Now electric field they given, directly they given what is the electric field. Now what it is changing from point P to Q. Okay, point from P to Q. Now see, Q they given, Q equal to 1 microcoulomb. 1 minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 1 micro means 10 to the power of minus 6. Integration E they directly they given 10 they given. Take it out. E won't change. 10 and dx. This position is changing from where to where? From point to point, right? From x1 to x2. It is called x1. We have to write down from where to where it is going. Suppose A to B it is going, then A you have to write down, B you have to write up. So it is moving from x1 to x2 because y direction there is no electric field, everything is 0. We want to discuss only along x direction only. So x1 to x2. What is the integration of dx? What is the integration of dx? All small dx's if you add, you will get
X, sir.
yes, x we will get. So now minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10, it will become x. So x place, x1 equal to how much? 1. X2 how much? 3. So minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10. We have to substitute upper limit minus lower limit. When we are writing, we will give from low here to here, but when we are substituting, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit how much? 3. Minus lower limit how much? 1. So minus 1 into 10 minus 6 in 10, nothing but 2. I know how much you got? 2 into 10 to the power of?
minus 5.
We can write so many ways we can write this answer, okay? However you want, you can write. I will write like 20 into minus 20 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Same answer, when they are given multiple answers, they will write minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Any answer? You can write more than that. 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 you can write. No problem. See how just a small formula, but we have to understand this much concept, what we have substitute where. Suppose in this place, x place, if you substitute 3 and in this place 1, again you will get a wrong answer. Negative will change that time. So from where to where? From where to where? When we are substituting, from up to down. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is what the integration is, the first one. Now whatever problem I am going to give you, if you solve that problem, we no need to touch any problem due to this one, because everything will get complete now. It is just example problem. One more problem I am giving you. If you solve that properly, we no need to touch these problems again. Wherever they will give, you can solve. Here electric field given only along 10, right? Only x direction, right? Now I am going to give you y direction, and if it is possible, z direction also. So we can do. Can I erase?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah. A charged particle Q equal to minus 10 microcoulomb is carried along OP and PQ and QO as QO as shown in the figure. In an electric field E equal to x plus 2y cap plus 2xj cap. Find work done by the external. Find work done by
Sir, after QO, what is it?
OP and PQ and QO as shown in the figure. Find work done by an external agent. Work done by an external agent. In first one, each path. Second one, round trip of work. See the diagram. O, P, Q, origin always 0, 0. Carefully, if you do this problem, that's all. You don't need to solve again one more problem in the work done due to the external agent. See the question. Calculate, find work done by the external agent. First question, each path, along this path, along this path, along this path, and round trip of work. Round trip of work, work is here, whatever work we are doing, it is a conservative force. So due to the conservative force, round trip of work, how much it will be? One of the particle you are taking from here to here, here to here, again you are placing here. So what is the displacement of the particle?
0.
0.
Yeah, round trip of work becomes 0. So this we no need to do. Very easy, that is. Round trip of work is 0 because conservative force. Conservative work is a here, whatever force we are using, electrostatic force. That electrostatic force is a conservative force. Now, each path, due to each path, find out first work done along OP. Along OP, first case. Each path they ask, right? Along OP you have to calculate. OP, if you want to calculate, we know the formula. What is the formula? W equal to, means work done by the external, every time I don't write EXT. Work done by the external agent only we are calculating. Minus Q integration E dot dr. Actually, it is the formula. This formula we can write integration Ex dx plus integration Ey dy plus integration Ez. But I am not writing because there is no z. So why again I have to write that? So I didn't write. I stopped from up to here. Here from x right, so x1 to x2 position. It is y right, y1 to y2 position. First, when you are calculating along x direction, is it necessary to write?
No, sir.
Yeah, because we are going in this path. When you are going in this path, why we have to write y? So actually this is also no need. Simply I written like minus q integration x1 to x2 ex. How much is ex given? Ex only we have to do. Ex means we can write x plus 2y. We have to write this. Okay, is y and dx. Now substitute the values. Now what will happen? Now you have to say the answer. Understand clearly. Integration of y dx. Is there anything like that? When we are doing x with respect to x, y will become what?
Constant.
Constant, right? So constant integration how much?
0.
0.
0.
Yeah, no need to write that. So we have to, now you should show me integration for x dx. What is the integration for x dx? You should show me that. Now I will write minus q. Q how much they given? Minus 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 they given. So integration x1 to x2 x dx. What is the integration for x dx?
Log x.
Not getting?
Log x, sir.
x?
Log x.
No. 1 by x integration is log x, remember. Log x. 1 by x integration is log x. X integration is x square by 2. Integration of x power n equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Remember. So x is there, nothing is there. Nothing is there means 1 is there. So 1 you have to place. Here 1 you have to place. So x to the power of 2 by 2. Very carefully you have to do this sum, okay? Once if you do any mistake in this step, problem gone. So integration minus 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 x square by 2 x1 to x2. Okay, what is the x1 now? Can you say what is the x1?
0.
Yes, substitute. What is the x2? Can you say?
2.
Yeah. Now upper limit minus lower limit. Don't substitute lower limit because it is 0. Obviously it will become 0. Substitute only upper limit. Minus 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Upper limit is 4 by 2. It will become 2. So minus 20 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Q equal to already 10 minus 10 given, huh? But outside also one of the 10 is there for us. Minus already it is there. They given minus 10, right? So that's why I made as a 10. Did you understand how to do this now? And work don't without writing anything, it's bad, okay? Here Newton will you write? What will you write here? Kgs, huh?
Newton per coulomb.
What we are calculating? What we are
Joule.
calculating?
Joules.
What? Yes, Joule.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell me, ma.
So why didn't you write the value of Ey, sir?
Why didn't I write?
The value of E by dy. I still didn't get that.
First I am calculating along x, ma. When I am calculating x, why we have to take y? It is the j means along y. So there is no any limit for y here. 0, 0. If you substitute everything else, it will become 0 only. So we don't want to take that. That means y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Substitute if you get, you will get 0 only. That's why. One path over. That path along OP. OP is over. Now you have to try to solve.
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, I didn't understand how it became plus, sir.
Okay. Actually, formula is minus q, right?
Yes, sir.
Q place minus 10 they given. So minus 10 into minus, it will become plus.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes. The formula itself minus. Why? Because I told you we are doing work opposite to the electric field. So we are applying force opposite to the electrostatic force. That is the reason we will put negative. Where can I erase? We will go to path PQ.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Carefully you have to do this, okay? Any small mistake, PQ. Okay, when I'm doing PQ, what formula can I write? Total formula shall I write? Work done by the external agent minus Q integration. What I have to write here?
EY dy.
EY dy. That's all. I don't want to write anything along x direction because it is completely y direction only. Okay. Okay. Now see, minus q integration y1 to y2. What I have to write here? X
2x.
plus 2. Huh?
2x.
2x if I write enough. dy. Q, how much they given substitute? Q equal to minus 10 they given. So it will become 10 microcoulomb. Micro means we know 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay. Okay. 2. Now what you will do, you will integrate x. Will you integrate x? X
No,
dy,
sir.
is there any integration? It will become 0.
Should become 0.
What is the x value here? It
2.
is starting from where? Y is starting from 2. So x value is 2 here. Here x value is become 2. 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 4 right outside dy. X value equal to 2 there. Before y value equal to 0. X value equal to 0. But here it is starting from 2. So x value 2 here. Now y1 to y2. Okay, what is the integration of dy?
Y, sir.
Yes, 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6. For 4 also I will multiple. I will write 40. And y integration, dy integration is y. So y1 how much? What is the limit of y1?
0.
Yes, here y is 0. And from where to where? Y2 how much?
2.
2.
2. So first substitute upper limit, after lower limit. Lower limit you no need to substitute because 0 only. 40 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 2. So we'll get 80 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Again, joules. Now third one. Now how you will do, I want to see. Now it is moving along x direction and along y direction it is moving. Now what I have to take, you should guide me. Okay, can I write?
1 minute, sir.
Yes. Once if you complete this problem carefully, you no need to solve any problem on work. You can solve now. You should remember carefully I means only x, j means y, k if they give z direction also. Then that formula we have to change in this manner. Okay? Can I? This one you should be very, very careful now. Along QO. Along QO, that means work done by the external minus Q integration. What I have to write? Can you say what I have to write?
So ex dx plus
Yes,
integration
ex dx plus
integration
ey.
ay dx.
Yeah, integration ey dy. Yeah, correct. Okay, substitute now. Q integration ex dx. Ex how much? X plus 2y dy. Sorry, dx. Plus integration ey. Ey means 2x dy. Now you will get doubt, sir, how it is possible, it is not possible. So x value here, how much x value?
Substituting the value.
So here we have to take this path is going along xy. Here x is equal to 2, y also should be 2. It will be like, actually graph will be like this, in this manner. So we have to take let x equal to y. Here x equal to y. If you take x equal to y, this formula we can change. Q integration x plus 2x into dx plus integration 2y dy.
Sir,
Tell me, ma. Tell me.
sir, can't we just substitute the values on that point?
Yeah, we can substitute. First, we will calculate in this manner. Once we will check directly if we substitute the values, how much we are getting.
Okay, sir.
That time take x place 2. Okay.
Yes, sir, x plus 2 and y plus 2 in the.
Yeah, take like that. We will see.
Yes, sir.
But here it is moving along x OQ, right? So x equal to y. We can say that.
Okay, sir.
Graph will be exactly like this. Now solve. Now solve for that. Minus q integration x plus 2x 3x dx plus integration 2 constant y dy. Here also 3 constant, we can take it. Minus q integration x okay. Dx plus 2 integration y dy minus q 3. What is the x integration?
X squared by 2.
X square by 2. X square by 2. Limit
2 to 0. No, 0 to
2.
2 to 0.
2 to 0 because we are coming from here to here, no?
Yes.
2 to 0 plus 2 into y square by 2. Again 2 to 2 to 0.
2 to 0.
2 to 0. Now substitute minus q. First upper limit, if you substitute, it will become 0. Minus lower limit, so you will get a minus 3 by 2 into 4. Minus, here also minus you will get. Two by 2 will become 1. 4 you will get. 2 will get 1. And here 4 and 2 you will get 2. Minus q. Minus 6. Minus 4. You will get like plus 10. Q. Q value, substitute that.
Minus 10.
Yes. Q value, substitute that. Q value equal to minus 100 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulombs. Sorry. joules. Q place minus 10. 10 into 10, 100. 100, 10 to the micro means 10 to the power of minus 6 joules. Round trip of work is 0. You no need to. OP plus PQ plus QO equal to 0. Displacement is 0. Understand the problem? How to solve now? Once you have to try at home. Yesterday, just now we discussed one thing, sir. Why we have to put x is equal to y? Use this formula. Don't put x is equal to y. Try to do solve the problem. Okay, these are the models on work done by the external force. Now we'll go to potential. If they give potential, how to calculate? If they give electric field, how to calculate potential? Okay. In this lesson, all problems will be in the same manner. There is no direct values to solve. And for especially for CBSE, they will give this question. Let's see. One more question. The electric field, it is basing on, now over. First formula basing on work, problems over. No need to solve. Anything they will give, same method. Now we are going to solve V is equal to minus E delta R. Delta V is equal to minus E delta R, or V is equal to minus E delta R, whatever it may be. On this, if they give electric field and this, we can calculate this. But if they give this and this, we can't calculate. I told you, right? That time we have to use dou by dou x, that type of term. When we are solving problems, I will tell you. Now problems on delta V is equal to minus E dot delta R. One more formula also is there, like V is equal to integration, dV is equal to integration minus E dot dr also is there. It is also when they give an electric field, we can calculate this. Anything basing on this formula. See the problem. The electric field in a region is given by E equal to A by X cube I cap. Write an expression for the potential in a potential in the region, assuming the potential at infinity to be 0. The electric field in a region is given by this much electric field is given. Write the expression for the potential. So potential means we know potential equal to either delta V or delta V. We will write delta V equal to minus integration E dot dr. So they are asking from infinity to, if you bring a point from infinity to A. So what will happen? This it will be like VA minus V infinity. V infinity equal to 0. They are telling that assume electric field, electric potential at infinity is 0. So that's what we have did. So VA finally minus integration infinity to A. What is E? E equal to this delta R, we know, right? How to write? Ex dx minus integration infinity to A. Ex they given A by x cube dx. Point A, in this place they can give x or something, anything they can give. Take x from x because we are calculating no x. You can take any point. I can take P even. Now what we have to do? What is the integration for 1 by x cube? A is constant, take it out. Infinity to x 1 by x cube dx. What is integration for 1 by x cube?
Minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by 2x square.
Minus
1 by 2x square.
minus 1 by 2. See, this 1 by x square, x cube,
So it should be minus.
write like this. So if you write
minus
integration,
2.
yeah, it will be like
Minus 2 by.
minus 2 by
Sir, minus 2 into x to the power minus 2.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? X to the power of minus 3 is equal to x to the power of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2, correct. We can write like that. Substitute. A will become minus to minus, it will become plus. Leave that. A by 2 right outside. X to the power of minus 2 infinity to x. Again, if you substitute, infinity will become 0. Substitute that. You will get the same answer. Like A x to the power of minus 2 by 2. It is the potential. See how they have given question, how they are given, and how we have to, when every time we will write dr only. If they give I, that means they given x. We have to change this dr as a x. If they give j also, we have to change this dr as a y. If they give k, dz.
Sir,
We have to take and we have to solve this problem.
sir,
Direct. Tell me, ma.
sir, the integration of 1 by x cube should be minus 2 into x to the power minus 2, right?
No, ma. Actually, see, if integration of x square, what we are writing? Integration of x square, we are writing x to the power of x power n. Integration we are writing x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 we are writing. Here 2 is
Yes.
there. So
X
2
cube
plus 1.
by 3.
Yes, actually.
But
it is
that n is positive, sir. Here n is negative.
That's why. That's why. Now see, if in this place minus 3 if I write, n plus will become minus 3. And n plus become minus 3. X to the power of minus 3 plus 1. X to the power of minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1. Minus 2.
Okay, sir, I'll check that.
Yeah. According to formula only we written. Just 1 by anything, when you are seeing 100, 1 by 100, you don't need to write every time 1 by 100, 1 by 100. 10 to the power of minus 2. That's all. That is what multiples and submultiples in the first year we learned. Okay? Hmm. Any problem if they ask in this method, we have to do in the same method. Nothing is there. But formulas every time we have to change that formulas in this x, y, z like that. We know, right? Continuous charge distribution. Continuous charge distribution. Continuous charge distribution means like suppose if they have given a line like this, plus, 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 is a linear charge. From this, if you want to find out a charge, then we have to use lambda is equal to charge by length. And if they have given area, sigma equal to charge by area. If they have given volume, if they given volume of charges, rho equal to charge by volume. Did you remember? From this, we can find out how much charge is here, how much charge is here, how much charge is here. We can find out. Potential also, when we are writing V is equal to K dq by R. If you write like that, for continuous charge distribution, K dq, if it is a linear charge, dq will become lambda dl by R. It is for linear charge, because dq means small charge. So lambda is equal to small charge by small length. From this, dq equal to lambda dl we can write. If it is a area, K sigma dA by R. It is for area, areal charge density. If it is a volume charge density, K rho dV by volume, like R. It is for volume. When you are seeing the formula like this, you don't get any confusion. It is for linear charge density. Charge they given in terms of linear charge density, lambda into dl. Linear charge density lambda into length of the small length. You will get the small charge. Remember, if you are seeing the formulas like this, oh, it is for areal charge density, it is for volume charge density, like that. Okay? See the question. This question, if you solve, then V is equal to minus E. V is equal to integration E dr. Now, whatever question I'm going to write, if you solve that question, mostly what are the problems they will give on this, you can solve, because it's little bit big question and very important. Okay, very, very important. Competitive level examination, they will ask this type of problems only. Three charges Q1 equal to 1 microcoulomb, Q2 minus 2 microcoulomb, and Q3 minus 1 microcoulomb are placed A at A 0, 0, 0, B minus 1, 2, 3, C 2, minus 1, 1. Find the potential of the system of three charges 3 charges at P 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. For this formula, I am going to write here. Suppose RPI is the position of the charge at P. Position of the charge. Position of the charge. Position P from the charge. This is the P position from the charge. Its potential at P will become, its potential at P is potential at P. The potential at P will become VI QI by KQ by R square, right? So K 4 pi epsilon naught into R. Potential formula V is equal to KQ by R. I didn't write anything new. In the K place, I written Q by epsilon naught. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. That's all. In the R place, RP minus RI. When you are seeing RPI, that means RP minus RI. Remember, if you are seeing 1 to 2, that means R1 minus R2. If you see RAB, that means RA minus RB. Feel like that. So suppose RPI is the position P from the charge. Its potential at P equal to QI by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught RP minus RI. R here position vector. Position vector will be in this manner. Now, 3 particle potential if you want to calculate. First we have to calculate for potential for P to A. After we have to calculate for P to B. After we have to calculate for P to C. After add that is the potential due to system of charges. This is a formula, just a potential formula. Nothing is there in this. But when they are giving in this manner, we have to write like this. Again, here it is equal to x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. Here also x, y, z. Now see. First we will calculate. Remember the formula? Formula is KQ by R square. That's all. KQ by R. See the solution. Potential P to A. PI we reckon, no? So PA I reckon. PA means QA by, I write K. KQA by R. R means RP minus RA. RP minus RA. Okay? From P to A. RP minus RA. It is a potential of due to first charge. Now K value we know. K equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into QA 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by RP. RP, where is the RP? Here it is the RP. This I will write 1 I cap minus 2 J cap minus 1 K cap minus RA 0 I cap 0 J cap 0 K cap. Potential is scalar or vector? Potential is scalar or vector?
Scalar.
So we have to get the value. We don't want this r and so according to vectors, when they have given 1 I cap plus 1 j cap plus 1 k cap. If you want magnitude, what you have to do?
Square root of 1.
Yes,
plus-
like that. Now see, first we have to subtract 1 minus 0, 1 only. 2 minus 0, 0 only. Sorry, 2 only. 1 minus 0, 1 only. So we have to root over 1 square plus 2 square plus
So minus 2 square, sir.
2 square is minus 2 square is nothing but 2 only, no? Like minus a minus will get a plus only, no? In the root we no need to write minus, it will become plus. Minus 2 whole square, it will become 2 square. Minus into minus will become plus. So we need to do that. 1 plus 4 plus 1, root 6. So 9 into 10 to the power of 3 by this down value we got root 6. Root 6 we got. Root 6 what joules are? Okay, you solve. It is 1. You solve potential at P due to B. You solve potential at P due to B like this. Remember, whenever they have given A, B, C and one of the points, it is the one of the system. So we have to calculate potential between A and B, the P and A, after plus P and B plus P and C. The sum of this total is nothing but a potential due to these 3 points, these 3 charges at one point. That is the meaning of this question. How much we are getting here?
Root 10.
Root 10.
5.
Root 5. Root I cap plus I cap 2 square minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 and this if you multiple with minus 2, so 4 square minus 1 and 1, 3 square, root over 4 plus 16 plus
Sir, it's 4 square, sir.
yeah, it's 4 square, right? Yeah, 4.
You'll get 6.
4 square, right? 16. So total you will get 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Minus 3 into 10 to the power of 3 volt. Calculate some P to C now. First we have to add. After getting result, then we have to square it. First, this square, after if you do this, you won't get answer properly. Wherever you will see like this in this manner, first we have to take it we have to add or something subtract. We have to do that. Getting final result, we have to square. Calculate P to C. Calculate P to C and tell me the answer. So it is nothing but it will become 3. 1 we got 9 into 10 to the power of 3 by root 6. Second we got minus 3 into 10 to the power of 3. How much we are getting third one? Is also same thing.
So minus 9 into 10 power minus 9 into 10 power 3 by root 6.
Minus 9 into 10 to the power of
Minus 10 to the power of 3 by root 6.
by root 6, huh?
Root 6. Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's why we have to add this 3. 9 into 10 to the power of 3 by root 6 minus 3 into 10 to the power of 3 by 1 minus 9 into 10 to the power of 3 by root 6. This is nothing but total potential. So it will be cancel. So V is equal to minus 3 into 10 to the power of 3. It is the total potential. That's all. So when they are asking potentials also, when they have given in this manner, remember we have to compare, after we have to add. So don't forget this. P to C means RP minus RC. So on this also problems, okay. Whatever they will give, you have to write E. E place we can write EX plus EY plus EZ. DR means DX I cap plus DY J cap plus DZ K cap. Don't forget. Directly they won't give this and calculate V. It's impossible. They will give problems only like this. Okay. Now one problem I am going to give you. Solve that. And remember, not only these problems, we solved when they have given electric field. If you find out the potential between 2 points, how to find out potential difference we know. Suppose if you take VA minus VB, if they have given electric field something and distance, we can calculate. We solve that problems also. Don't forget that. And potentials on these problems also we did. On this potential will become zero. Charge may not be zero. That problems also we did. Mostly we did all the models. Now we have to solve only equipotential surface and potential energy. Tomorrow I will teach once again the potential energy. On that problems I will teach. See the question. Solve this. An electric field. An electric field is expressed as E bar equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap, 2 I cap plus 3 j cap volt per meter. Find the potential difference. Find the potential difference. Find the potential difference. VA minus VB between 2 points A and B, whose position vectors are given by RA I cap plus 2 j cap, RB 2 I cap plus j cap plus 3 cap. Find out potential difference they asked. Potential difference means you know formula, right? I hope you know potential difference formula. VA minus VB integration minus of EDR. This is what the potential difference. Again, I told you, you don't keep like this. Here R given means around X, Y, Z, everything they given. Again, this formula you have to arrange like EX dx integration EY dy plus integration EZ dz x1 to x2 y1 to y2 z1 to z2. You have to write in this manner. Now you can solve. Now easy. Ex we know, substitute dx. Here x limits what? We should only find x limits are 1 to 2 actually. Y limits also we know. Z we no need to take because there is no any electric field in the Z direction. Try to solve that. How much answer you are getting? Let me know. Find the potential difference between V. See ma, they given VA minus VB, right? Calculate how much you are getting. What is the answer here? 2. X2 how much? Can you say what is the X2?
2.
Yes, 2. X1 equal to 1 plus 3. Y2? 1 minus 2. Students, how much you are getting? Minus 2 minus
So minus 1.
minus 1, right? You are getting total minus, yeah, we will get minus 1. V A to B is minus 1. V B to A, it will become plus 1.
No, sir. Minus of minus 1, it will become plus 1, sir.
Plus 1. So V A to B is plus 1. V B to A, it will become minus 1. They ask only V A to VB. If they ask V B to A, then write like this. Okay, na? See formulas how nicely we have to arrange. Any problem we didn't use directly. We changed that formula in this manner and we use it till now. And problems also wherever you are solving, mostly you have to solve in this method. Very important method. Okay, tomorrow once again I will explain for you electric potential energy EPE on that problems and equipotential surface on that formula problems. That's what tomorrow I'm going to explain. If I explain that, clearly potential lesson is over. How much you practice, that is depending on you. You should practice very nicely. If it is a live class, even I can ask you very nicely. But I don't know how many members of you are doing work every day. Do hard work. Okay, see you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Namma.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Anil. Take care, huh? Read nicely. By tomorrow we can complete everything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.